Hela, it's your boy Der Sheriff and welcome to the Pro Streamer. And in today's episode, it's all about how to install OBS Studios on macOS. But before we carry on, have you all seen my setup reveal? There. If you haven't, the links will be down below. But if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let's hit it. Before we start, yes, I'm using Google Chrome. I know I should be using Safari, but Google Chrome is so much better. Okay, now let's move on. So you just type OBS and press enter, and OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. And if you just type in obsproject.com, it will also pop up too. So click on OBS link. There are three options. There's Windows option, there's a macOS 10.13 Plus and Linux. But we are gonna download the macOS 10.13 Plus. So this is a free and open source software for recording and live streaming, and the premier tiers are YouTube, Logitech, Twitch and Facebook, and the diamond tier is Nvidia. You got the features down here you can see, so at your pace you can read them, and you also have the create professional production features down below here. So let's go click on the macOS 10.13 Plus, and we're gonna download it by clicking on it. Once you click on it, a window will pop up where it will automatically download. Right at the bottom left, as you can see it download, there is an OBS guideline which I've just right clicked on there into a new tab. I will be doing another video showing you how to use OBS, such as overlays, scenes and screens. Here there's an OBS overview and forums for questions you might have. There is a community Discord where you can chat with people when you need help. You also have a help portal here, and also finally contribution to an OBS project, as it is a free software. Now we're going to click on the file for OBS so we can download it. Once you've clicked on it, an icon will pop up saying opening and searching and downloading. Once everything's done, you're going to pull up this icon. You're going to drag the OBS, as you can see me moving around. You drag it into the application box and drop it and let go, and you will find it automatically there. And that's it guys, it's as simple as that. It's gonna download and it will finish. So now we're gonna open OBS by double clicking on it. You will see an icon pop up. Make sure you press open so it opens properly. Here we go, click on open. Now if you want the OBS to stay on your tab, you just right click it once it's finished. 1 second guys, yep, right click it here, go to options and keep in dock. There we go, and now it's gonna stay in dock until you choose not to stay in the dock. So yeah, that's basically everything you need to know to download OBS on macOS. I will be doing another video showing you how to add scenes, how to add sources, and how to do up all the settings and etc. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So that's the end of the video guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it and it's been helpful. I'd like to let you know I'm live on Twitch right now, the Sheriff style. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and hit on that juicy subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. Peace out.